Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and today I'm going to use these camel watercolor tubes. It's good enough for the beginners, for if you are traveling and want to carry your colors and your sketchbook and all that. So today's tutorial is also a very short and simple watercolor flower painting, and it's a lovely blue rose. As actually I don't have blue roses in my garden, but I wish I had one. So I'm making this lovely painting. It's raining outside. Actually, it's raining too much outside, very heavy rain, and that's why I feel it's cozy and comfortable to sit and watch the rain and paint something light and beautiful with a hot cup of coffee. So this is what I'm painting, and I want to keep it as simple as possible so that you can try at your comfortability with the minimalist flower painting, and you can say with few strokes and few colors. Yes, I'm using only, I think, maybe 3-4 colors, and I'm not doing much of shades and all that. And so just watch it. It's gonna be very interesting and lovely. And I must tell you, if you are new to my channel, please like my videos, share my videos with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for sweet little art ideas. Okay, so this is all for today, and you please watch the video till the end and enjoy the process and start doodling your own. So bye bye.